Alright, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Gabriel Agbonlahor don't come outside on the one Emile Smith Rowe. Say this one will be saying they hear saying won't go join Newcastle. Say no be good idea because that Newcastle when they go join, there is no guarantee say you go play first team shirts. Now bench you go deal, you know go get first team shirts for that place because when you look at the midfield players when you want go play, and there Joe Willock they play, and there Gomares dey. So if they come add you fine, you are going to be a very fantastic and wonderful squad member. So how is it beneficial to you? You come up for Arsenal where you be squad member, you can't go for Newcastle to be another squad member. Nobody like say if they come up for bench for here, can they go here, go play for the first level. So it's a no-brainer for him. So I don't know how Emile Smith Rowe takes him because now I'm waiting this about they talk in the beginning say you will be saying that they talk say you won't go Newcastle. If you go there, what is the guarantee that you are going to start? That is the $1 million question a lot of people are asking. I will not see any answer to that question. I don't know how I see this move of Emile Smith Rowe going to Newcastle. Do you think it makes sense for him to be going there or making 60 for Arsenal? Do you hope? So maybe in time will come or maybe go join an average team because that is the thing about the big club. Newcastle are gradually becoming a big club because they don't get massive squad depth because they are playing Champions League and the like. So at the end of the day, then go still buy more players. So when all these players go enter, what will be the fate of an Emile Smith Rowe? We will go there. Look at Joe Willock. I don't even know what's happened to the guy. Whether that injury, I mean, because they buy other players. They can't take over because last season he had a fantastic year. So what's going to happen this season? So we'll not hear anything about that. That's the thing. Alright, away from that, so Eden Hazard agents come and say, explain, say, do you know that Eden Hazard almost joined Arsenal? In fact, Arsenal might be Hazard's first choice when he won't move from Lille to the EPL, and the agents now come force him, push him, go meet Chelsea because then Chelsea were the richest club, just they spend money like mad, so they can't go there, enjoying them. He played for 7 years. So Babakar said the reason we can force Hazard to join Chelsea, the way they force Mudryk, although Mudryk will not they work fine, because as of then Arsenal they sell their best players. Then we they try to pay off our debts. Oh, they build our stadium. So we don't groom players to a certain extent, we'll sell them off to recoup money for investment. So for that reason, you can't say Arsenal no go make sense for Hazard, and truthfully, now a great call because he ended up going to Chelsea, spent 7 years there, won a lot of trophies, scored a lot of goals, did very well, become a legend for Chelsea. So now a good call because then we suffer for Arsenal. That now we sell all those kind of Sagna, Clichy, Kolo Toure, like sold a lot of Sami Nasri, sold a lot of Arsenal players. Is it Fabregas? There are plenty. What we say, Van Persie, because we don't really get back. Unlike now, we say we dey financially stable. So at a different era, we don't suffer for this Arsenal. Alright, the International Football Association Board don't come and say on the talk. They would like to implement some changes to the VAR rules. Now, change number one, and the fact say if there is maybe a questionable call, the VAR don't do mistake, like what happened between Liverpool and Tottenham. Say they will do a law, we say they will feel recall the time, like they will say, okay, referee, wait, don't do mistake. Oh yeah, that's the way you cancel now goal, or that goal where you allow no be goal. All those kind of errors, they will feel revisit them because, like, waiting one of the referees talk, I don't forget his name at the moment. Mike Dean talks say the law is the law. Once that incident don't happen, they don't restart. You cannot call the game back. Say, hey, when I do mistake, so that is the law. That is why they don't call that one back. So that one is number one. Number two, the VAR audio you get where they discuss with the on-field referee. They are going to make it available in real time for the stadium. All the fans will listen to them live as they discuss. Go for loudspeaker. Everybody will hear how they come to a conclusion. You get if something maybe they check offside, possible offside. Everybody will hear everything that they talk. So that one another law they want implement. Thirdly, they want make the VAR when they look into free kicks. Get illegally awarded free kick when not supposed to do because a free kick fee be say not supposed to be free kick. You can't go allow and they can't cross that free kick person will not enter. So normally they're not supposed to allow that free kick in the first place. Corner kicks, they want to be checking illegally awarded corner kicks, because maybe ball touch me now, go over. It's not supposed to be goal kick, but the referee can go below corner. You get, so they can use that corner, go score. For that reason, I go complain, say, this is not supposed to be corner in the first place. So all these things like VAR talks they won't implement. Say it better say time they delayed than say the wrong thing can go happen. You get, it better say VAR check the corner whether they drag say now my corner, be not be my corner. They check I can't get the right decision. Than say they can't illegally award that corner to my opposition. They can't cross ball, can't know that. So some people they push back, say it will cause delay for the field of play. Match is supposed to take like maybe 90 minutes or 94 minutes, but they take maybe 120 minutes because of too many VAR delays. Get, so they decide. So I say make I let you know IFAB they consider them like seriously, get, because that Liverpool versus Tottenham Hotspur match, you really open their eyes, say this is an injustice and we should not allow it to continue. It can happen to anybody. So don't just do what if they don't come to a logical conclusion, say this law it will stand, I will let you know. Alright, Fishale, so be one of our monitoring spirits, don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal don't express an interest in signing Calvin Phillips from Manchester City, because the guy don't turn to surplus to requirements. Pep Guardiola not really the user, and you know, say for this transfer window, summer transfer window just passed, Man City actually wanted to sell Calvin Phillips, but the man talks say in they were ready to stay here on the bench. You know what? Because whether in the bench, you know the bench, you know play no play, if they win title instead of collect your medal, and they pay him. So you know really the worry. And when you look at the fact that when we play against Man City, we Rodri they missing. Instead of Pep Guardiola to use Calvin Phillips to be original defensive midfielder, you can go to play Rico Luis and Bernardo Silva with Kovacic as 3 defensive midfielders. So people will wonder, say, you will be say you be defensive midfielder, you did there, and a slot, a chance, an opportunity came for you to play. Coach, you know, use you. What does that tell you? You know, they for in plan at all. It will make sense when you find your square root. So that is why I asked after the race, say, okay, be that as it may. So were they interested in signing you? So now Man City, they will come and let us know whether they would like to sell to us to strengthen us, or they would like to sell but prefer to sell to somebody else. Man City don't do it before. Remember, before Cancelo became available for Barca to sign, and Barca wanted him on loan because Barca did Champions League. I don't know what they know really sell, because they tell Barca say Cancelo is not available, only for them to carry Cancelo go give Bayern Munich. When you become the para. But the media said, say, that don't say this player not available. When I come carry, I go give another person. So it is what it is. So a selling club can decide, say, we don't want to sell to you. We prefer to sell to this one. At the end of the day, the player self gas in the same line, in the same sync with the selling club, because we don't get an example where Brighton wanted Caicedo to sign for Liverpool. Caicedo opted and said no, even though Liverpool don't agree on our money, but I don't want to go there, I want to go to Chelsea. So at the end of the day, what will happen to Calvin Phillips? So Arsenal and Man City, they don't dey among clubs so they monitor Noel Buck, will be one of the midfielders for New England Revolution. He's an 18-year-old. So Arsenal just want to sign all these players and put them for our academy, because the truth is all these young stars we see today now, we say people they talk say they have huge potential. None of us really know what them will be in the next 5 years. He's 18 now. Next 5 years, if you 23. In short, next 5 years too far. Let's say next 3 years, we can't really say who he will become. So now, so everything now race. So when the scouts tell us and say, this person he get talent, it will make sense. Say make una sign him. Arsenal will just take the risk and sign him and groom him. We go play our under 18, play our under 21, and we will see whether it will make sense to join the senior team or go out on loan and develop. First video for academy, not really the better, but time we go on loan, get exposure. We just better come and snap on the boss net for us, for to give assist or make some kind of sweet pass. So it is what it is. Let's just see if the news they get it, maybe really because nobody Arsenal they go for the guy. Man City self involved. Anyhow way they go, I will let you know. Alright, so Kevin Campbell also one comment second to say Arsenal instead of buying Osimhen, because you don't hear many people talk and sign Osimhen. Say that Osimhen money it did too much, just like waiting David Ornstein talk yesterday. Say instead of signing that Osimhen, it will make sense. Oh, carry that £130 million, carry and go buy Ivan Toney and Pedro Neto. We'll get 2 players for the price of 1, and we will be very happy. So we'll do that investment. Well, me I subscribe to the line of thought, but the question is, do Arsenal have that much money to spend in January? This is January, don't be like summer. You don't expect us to spend so much money in January. So what's in there? Because this January will be passed. We will sign. We will bring in Trossard. How many people bring? I think we brought in Trossard and Kivio. Who else? How many people sign? How much we spend? So that's the thing. Alright, so Gabi Agbonlaho will be one of the top sports pundits. So Babako come and say nobody will sign Osimhen. Nobody will sign Osimhen because Osimhen will cost that kind of 140, 150 million pounds. The only people where you feel say go fit sign am na all this Saudi Arabia. So none of all these big clubs, for the EPL, Spanish League, La Liga, Serie A, and the likes, none of them will still sign that guy for 140, 150 million pounds. Yes. For that reason, make people they look beyond Osimhen. And me personally, I subscribe to that line of thoughts because that is why when Ornstein comes out, I say Arsenal cannot afford him. Some people say, do you know Arsenal pockets? Baba, we cannot afford him to buy Osimhen 140, 150 million pounds because I know who the Laurentiis be. You get for that Napoli. That man will actually quote a very, very humongous sum of money. Maybe say person no go fit sign am. You get so. Unless maybe he get buyout clause where nobody don't really know and hence say you want to go break am, but say you want me to negotiate, it will be one of the hardest things anybody can do. But we'll just watch anyhow it be. The only thing you go make somebody buy Osimhen cheap now maybe if he gets maybe 1 year left on his contract, but I don't know how many years he gets for now. Now I think that 1 year, but I know say last season they will give him a contract extension, making sign. So I don't know that I don't sign him yet based on the issue when we get to Napoli. When I don't sign him, I be never sign him. So anyhow. Will watch am. Even say I make I even ask since where Amrabat come for the EPL, how una think say he don't play for Manchester United? Because I know say a lot of Arsenal fans wanted us to buy Amrabat because for the UEFA Europa Conference League final between Fiorentina and West Ham, Amrabat actually destroyed Declan Rice for that match. I watch am. He outplayed Declan Rice. So it make people come to talk say it go make sense because Arsenal go sign Amrabat. That way they go quote big money for us. Me say I follow for those who talk say. How much be Amrabat? They call Declan Rice 100 million pounds. Nobody they even talk 100 million pounds. They say Declan Rice go need to take like be above 100 million mark for them to even listen. You get? All those Mr. Sullivan of that West Ham, they really show it's pepper. But so far so good. Are they happy? Say at the end of the day we got the Declan Rice and we did not buy Amrabat because he don't come. They for the EPL play for Manchester United. How has his performance been? It seems a league different. You get you way the Gbera for Fiorentina. You don't come in now. You don't humble you. You get the same thing with Onana. Onana was playing very very well for Inter Milan. You don't come in. They don't humble him. You see this EPL no be your mates. That is why I see they talk about person they Gbera for another place. That is not a guarantee. Life na risk. Look at Manchester United and they go they regret why they pursue the gear to sign Onana. They feel no come outside tell you, but I don't say Ten Hag will regret AJ. Alright, so away from that, so do you know that William Saliba, they don't rank him as the third best Arsenal all-time centre-backs? And now Give Me Sport, one of our monitoring spirits, now they do these rankings. So people like Tony Adams and Sol Campbell, they are ahead of him in the pecking order. And when you check the ranking, you see almost everybody don't win something. Saliba don't really win anything though. He's still young, about 22, going on 23. So he gets a lot of time on your hand. You get to win things. They are ahead of the likes of Martin Keown, Pemata Saka, Koscielny, Van Malen. You get all those people. He passed them according to the rankings. Then Sol Campbell, almost Sol Campbell in time. But the guy that bulldog, the guy very brutal. Yes, even Tony Adam. Although I was not privileged to watch Tony Adam play, but now I'm watching videos, I'm watching clips for YouTube. I see how he takes the clip. I watch Sol Campbell at least, but I'm not watching Tony Adam. So it is what it is. Alright, so do you know also, say this Norway team, say they never qualified for a major international tournament since Euro 2000. Since Euro 2000, they never qualified for anything, World Cup or Euros or anything, nada. In fact, the Euro 2024, they stand the risk of even going out. Now one back door, they won't follow enter, they won't go play National League, Nation League qualifiers. Now they won't take enter. So the likes of Odegaard, Haaland, they never really play any major tournaments. I don't pity for those guys because how many stars they get for their team? But in our country, at least they don't feel just rally around some players for that Norwegian league. Yes, all those strong good sets, all those molds. So they don't just bring some kind of players for their conform team, national team, make them play very well. So when I see the statistics, I was very, very like you pay me. Like, so all those only Ghana that they play World Cup now, they don't go involved, they have to watch am for TV because the teams really for their own region, they knock them. I said tomorrow, no, but it is what it is. They will take solace from their own league exploits. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen to see the thumbnail. Click up so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Like, get out.